OpenAI just dropped something that could literally end traditional video editing as we know it. And if you're still using the old ways to make videos, you might already be falling behind. So here's what's happening. OpenAI, the same company that gave us ChatGPT, just launched Sora as a standalone app. And this isn't just another AI tool. This is a full-blown social platform where you can create Hollywood-level videos just by typing words. No cameras, no actors, no expensive equipment. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what this means and why it matters. Alright, let's break down what just happened. On December 9th, 2024, OpenAI officially released Sora to the public. But here's the thing, this isn't just a video generator. OpenAI turned it into a social app. Think of it like Instagram or TikTok, but instead of posting videos you filmed, you're posting videos that AI created for you based on descriptions you wrote. The app is available on iOS and through a web browser. Right now, it's rolling out in the US and most other countries, but there are a few places where it's not available yet, like the UK and parts of Europe, because of regulations. So how does this thing work? You open the app, type in a text prompt describing the video you want, and Sora generates it. Let's say you type something like, a golden retriever running through a field of sunflowers at sunset. Within seconds, Sora creates a video that looks like it was shot by a professional cinematographer. But it gets better. You can control the camera angles, the duration, and even the style. Want it to look like a Wes Anderson film? You can do that. Want slow motion or multiple camera angles? All possible. Sora can generate videos up to 20 seconds long at 1080p resolution. ChatGPT Plus subscribers who pay $20 a month get 50 video generations per month. If you're on the Pro plan at $200 a month, you get unlimited generations at lower resolution or 500 high-quality videos. Now let's talk about why OpenAI made this a social app, because this is the part that changes everything. When you create a video with Sora, you can publish it to the Explore feed. This is basically a public gallery where anyone can see what people are making. You can like videos, comment on them, and even remix them. Remixing means you can take someone else's video, tweak the prompt, and create your own version. This builds a community around AI video creation. Instead of just using Sora alone, you're part of this ecosystem of creators learning from each other. When you see what other people are making, you get ideas you never would have thought of on your own. But here's the catch. Every video you post is marked with C2PA metadata. This is basically a digital watermark that says, this was made by AI. OpenAI is also adding visible watermarks to videos, so people know it's AI generated. This addresses concerns around deepfakes and misinformation. Okay, so Sora sounds amazing, right? But let's talk about the elephant in the room. First, there's the job situation. Video editors, animators, stock footage companies are looking at Sora and thinking, am I about to be replaced? If a small business can generate a commercial in 30 seconds instead of hiring a production team, what happens to those teams? Right now, Sora can't replace a skilled filmmaker for complex projects. It struggles with physics sometimes. It can't handle intricate character interactions, but give it a year or two and who knows where we'll be. Then there's content safety. OpenAI has built-in guardrails. You can't use Sora to create videos of real people without their consent. You can't generate violent or explicit content. You can't create deep fakes of politicians or celebrities. But people always find workarounds. Within days of the launch, there were already reports of users trying to jailbreak the system. And then there's copyright. Sora was trained on millions of videos from the internet. Some might be copyrighted. So if Sora generates a video that looks suspiciously similar to someone's copyrighted work, who's liable? Nobody really knows yet, and that's going to be a legal mess. But let's flip the script, because while there are problems, there are also massive opportunities. For small businesses, Sora is a game changer. You no longer need a 5-figure budget to create a promo video. You can generate one yourself in minutes. For educators, you can create visualizations of complex concepts. Instead of relying on boring textbooks, you can make learning visual and engaging. For independent filmmakers, Sora is like having a Hollywood production studio in your pocket. You can prototype scenes before you shoot them. You can create storyboards that look like finished films. And for content creators, Sora is basically a cheat code. You can generate B-roll, background videos, intros, outros, whatever you need. No more spending hours searching for stock footage. Now, Sora isn't the only AI video tool out there. There's Runway ML, Pika Labs, and even Google has their own AI video generator called Veo. But OpenAI has two big advantages. First, they have the brand recognition. Everyone knows ChatGPT. Second, they have the resources to keep improving. OpenAI is backed by Microsoft, which means they have deep pockets and tons of computing power. The big question is, what's next? OpenAI is working on longer video generation, better physics simulation, and more control. Some people are speculating that within a year, we could see AI-generated TV shows or even movies. So here's the bottom line. Sora is here, and it's not going away. If you're a content creator, start experimenting with Sora now. The people who learn to use these tools early are going to have a massive advantage. If you're a business owner, think about how AI video can help you cut costs and move faster. Maybe you can handle your own video marketing in-house. The technology is moving faster than our ability to deal with the consequences. Jobs will change. Laws will have to catch up. But through all of that, one thing is clear. AI video is here to stay, and it's going to reshape how we create and consume visual content. OpenAI's launch of Sora as a social app is one of those moments where the future suddenly feels a lot closer. We're living in a time where anyone with an idea can create professional quality videos without any traditional skills or equipment. The question isn't whether this will change everything. It's whether you're going to be part of that change or get left behind. If you want to stay updated on how this story develops, make sure you're subscribed because this is far from over.